Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Tuesday morning forecast update. Again, the severe weather risk for us will arrive tomorrow. Today should be a pretty comfortable day, but once we move into the, I would say, morning and early afternoon tomorrow, that's when we'll be on high alert for some strong to severe storms, as we very well could see some high wind as well as some hail. Can't rule out maybe a few tornadoes through the day tomorrow as well, but today should be a quiet, comfortable weather day for us. We have seen the temperatures return to comfortable levels after a few warm mornings here, so most of us will step outside. Temperatures in the low 60s early. Not much happening. Again, our cold front's down along the coastline. It will come back as a warm front much later today, so out ahead of that front it should be very comfortable. I think lower humidity today, mostly sunny early, but we will see partly to mostly cloudy skies develop by the afternoon. We won't be breaking any records today. That has happened the last 2 days in Shreveport, but we will wind up 85. Still a warm afternoon, comfortable day in Texarkana. You'll be at 80, and cooler north of I-30, 76 your high today in Idabel as well as DeQueen. So you can see there will be a surge of kind of Gulf air making its way in later today ahead of our next storm system. That's the dip in the jet stream here in the Rocky Mountain states. Very strong area of low pressure that will be moving in here, so it will bring some of the ingredients for those strong to severe storms tomorrow. Mainly the window we're looking at would probably be from about sunrise through the mid-afternoon, so it is possible we'll be under that threat for severe storms throughout the day, and kind of what we're expecting is the worst of the weather to be south of Interstate 20. What we're showing now as far as your Robbins Toyota Futurecast, again today we'll start out with some sunshine, wind up partly to mostly cloudy this afternoon, and it looks like most areas probably staying dry tonight. Now here come the storms early tomorrow morning. Initially these not likely to be severe. This is the second straight day that Futurecast has had kind of a similar timing, but as we go through the morning here, we do expect some of these storms will start to strengthen, so we'll especially have to watch these south of Interstate 20. So I think through the morning commute we'll be okay, avoiding any kind of severe weather. But once you're off to school, your workplace, or just whatever you're doing midday tomorrow, make sure you're kind of weather aware, as we will have this line of thunderstorms moving through, bringing those potential severe weather hazards. And interestingly, Futurecast does pop up kind of a second round of storms in the afternoon. I do not believe that would carry the same kind of severe weather risk as this initial line, but it is something that we have to monitor, because again, if this first line is a little bit weaker and never really develops, the second line would be the one to watch. So it is possible we could still be under that severe weather threat late tomorrow afternoon. Look at the rainfall potential here with this system. It should get a pretty good blast of rainfall tomorrow, as we could see about an inch or two of rain in most areas. So again, we will have some periodic heavy rain at times through the day on Wednesday, and then once we get to Thursday, very windy and much cooler, as your highs will drop into the 60s late this week. Expecting those wind gusts on Thursday will be out of the northwest, over 30 miles per hour, so very breezy end to the week. It will stay breezy Friday, but setting up to be a great Halloween weekend, as the winds will be lighter. Highs in the 70s. We'll have the cool mornings through Halloween weekend as well, and continuing that comfortable weather into early next week.